Good morning, children. Welcome back to our Google Classroom, supported by Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. We go through the chapter 11, Mensuration. Today's topic is area of a trapezium. Do you remember the figure trapezium? We have learned about trapezium in the chapter quadrilateral. Trapezium is a quadrilateral having a pair of parallel sides. Only two sides are parallel. In this figure you can see A and B are parallel sides and H is the perpendicular distance between these two parallel sides. So, to find the area of a trapezium, we need only the length of these parallel sides and the height between them. The area of a trapezium is equal to half h into a plus b. The product of half of the sum of the sides and the height between them. This is the formula, and apply this formula to find the area of trapezium for the next problem. Okay. So here this is a quadrilateral with a pair of parallel sides. That means it is a trapezium. Here A and B are the two sides, parallel sides, and H is the perpendicular distance between these A and B. We need A, B and H to find the area of this trapezium. What is the formula we told? Area of trapezium is equal to h into b plus a by 2, or we can use half h into a plus b. Half h into a plus b, where a, b are the length of the parallel sides and h is the height between them, or perpendicular distance between these two sides. Okay, we can do problems based upon this formula. The question is, here it is a table and the top surface of a table is trapezium. Parallel sides are 1 meter and 1.2 meter. Parallel sides 1 meter and 1.2 meter. And distance between them, perpendicular distance between them is 0.8 meter. Here directly given A, B and H. So we can use the formula. What is the formula? Parallel sides A is equal to 1 meter, B is equal to 1.2 meter, height H is equal to 0.8 meter. Here we can use directly the formula area of trapezium half H into A plus B. H is 0.8. The given measurements are in meter. So half into 0.8 into 1 plus 1.2, that is A plus B. So 0.8 division 2 we will get 0.4. 1 plus 1.2, 2.2. So 0.4 into 2.2. How many decimal places are here? Here 1, again here 1. So total 2 decimal places. So after multiplication we should move 2 decimal places from right. That is 2 decimal places, then we will get the answer 0.88 meter square, because the given measurements are in meter. This is a direct problem, very easy. Apply the formula and apply the values in the formula. Okay. Next question, the area of a trapezium shaped field is 480 meter square. The distance between two parallel sides is 15 meter and one of the parallel side is 20 meter. Find the other parallel side. Here area, height between them and one parallel side is given. We have to find the second parallel side. So we can write given values: area 480, H 15 meter, A, that is one parallel side, 20 meter, and B we want to find out. So write the formula area of the trapezium half H into A plus B, that is given as 480. Okay. So half into 15 into 20 plus B. Values. Apply, substitute the values. 480. Then our calculation. How? this by 2 we can transpose to RHS. This division 2 we can transpose to RHS, then we will get into 2. So 15 into 20 plus b, 480 into 2. Again 15 into 15 we can transpose to division, then 20 plus b is equal to 480 into 2 by 15. So 20 plus b after calculation is equal to 64. B is equal to 64 minus 20, that is 44 meter. So other parallel side is 44 meter. Here one of the parallel side we found here. Okay. Again one more problem from the same section. The area of a trapezium is 34 centimeter square and the length of the parallel sides is 10 centimeter and its height is 4 centimeter. Find the length of the other parallel side. As you know, area is equal to 34 centimeter square, h is equal to 4 centimeter, length A is equal to 10 centimeter, B we have to calculate. So area of trapezium half h into A plus B. Again area is 34, so we can write half h into A plus B is equal to 34. For height, h is 4, A 10. Substituting the values we can write like this. Again 4 into 10 plus b, 2 transposed here we will get 68. 10 plus b, 4 we divide here, 10 plus b is equal to 17. B is equal to 17 minus 10, 7 centimeter. Okay, you understood the method here? Only you substitute the values. First of all, you should know the formula and substitute the values in the given formula and calculation. Okay. Next question. Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. Its side along the river parallel to and twice the side along the road. So, the field has two borders and one along the road and one is a river. If the area of this field is 10,500 meters square and the perpendicular distance between two parallel sides is 100 meter, perpendicular distance h is 100 meter, find the length of the side along the river. One side is road, another side is river. You can see here. Then height is 100 meter, area 10,500 meters square. So I written one side, suppose A, then the second side is 2A. Why? Twice the length along the road. The side along the river is twice the length along the road. So we can write A and 2A are the two parallel sides. Then we can calculate. Calculation. Half h into A plus B is the area of trapezium. Area of trapezium half h into A plus B. Area of trapezium half h into A plus B. A is the side along the road, so 2A is the side along the river. Why? Twice the length of the road. Twice means 2 times. 2 into, multiply with 2 to get twice. Then half h into A plus 2A. A plus B become A plus 2A equal to 10,500 meters square. Half into h 100 meter into A plus 2A 3A. Algebraic expression addition of polynomials. Okay, 3A equal to 10,500. So 100 into 3A, 300A. 2 we transpose to right side into 2, became into 2. So A equal to 10,500 into 2 divided by 300. So it will get 70. But 70 is the A, the length along the road. We should find out the length along the river. That means A into 2, 70 into 2, 140 meter. This is the length of the field along the river. Okay, so children, very simple formula. Apply the values, substitute the values and find out the unknown which we want to find out. Okay, thank you. Practice problems from your textbook. This is the problems from the exercise and based upon the formula of trapezium. We will meet again with more problems in the next class. Thank you.